Yo, welcome to the Bank Channel, baby. It's your boy C to the.
And it's Tasha.
Alright, today we're gonna go to Salt Cathedral, 200 meters underground in Zipaquira. It's about an hour and a half away from the main city of Bogota.
Yep.
And we're gonna go check that out, and we're gonna take you guys along for the ride.
That's right.
Alright, so remember to subscribe and like this video. Drop a comment below on any videos you want to see. Alright, so we'll catch you in a little bit. Alright?
Bye.
Bang Nation, change of plans. It turns out Google gave me some bad information, number one. Number two, I wasn't very diligent in reading the details. The train leaves at 9:15 every morning one time.
Yeah.
I was under the impression it was a train station and it was continuous trains, but I was wrong.
It was an old classic.
It was an old classic train. We show you how it goes tomorrow. I'm here, I got some information. I got my details ironed out live in person.
These plans you guys are going to enjoy. It's a beautiful place if you're ever going to be visiting Colombia or Bogota in general. This place is beautiful. You'll love it.
So we just pulled up to the spot, got dropped off by the Uber. We're here at La Granja Naranja. So we're here now, about to check it out, see what there is to do. Pretty sure we're eating and drinking. Place for the kids. Me and Tasha ended up taking the bus back. Better experience, more affordable. Good morning. Today we're going to the CATEDRAL de Sal. Alright, so we take that train behind me. It's a real special place. It takes about 2.5 hours to get there.
Yep.
But first we're going to go across the street there
And get some snacks.
and get some snacks. Alright, so boom. We're here in the store, about to get some snacks for the trip. Yeah, it's a beautiful store. Hold on, let me.
It's like a freshman shit.
Yeah, it's top of the line right here. Watch this. Babe, what do you want to get?
Snacks.
Okay, so we get some snacks. What kind of snacks you want?
Like non-messy snacks.
Alright.
Salad.
We get some beer?
Oh, you can no.
Me, I'm probably going to get some ready-made food.
Ew.
That's a bag of milk. They know how to do it though. They gotta keep it preserved. Oh look, this is one of my favorite things. Let me show them. You got the egg aisle. It's not refrigerated. Man, they know how to. They figured it out though. I thought eggs had to be refrigerated. Why they told me that lie? All right, y'all, we here and the train is on the way.
Yes.
Now, that's a cool train. You see the Colombian flags? But look at the beautiful day outside.
It is beautiful.
Alright, let me turn this one like this. Let me do like one of these things. Hey.
Okay guys, so we're boarding, but I think there's like a whole thing that's gonna play for us.
Sure.
Look, the saxophone, everything. This is so cool. So we're in cabin H.
That's the VIP section. I made a couple phone calls. 16, 17. Got our seats. Thank you so much. The VIP.
Alright guys, so we're taking now. We're excited. We'll see you when we get there.
Destination now?
Yes. Okay, so now that we're off the train, now we're gonna get on a bus.
Okay guys, you see when we get there. So I bought my tickets, but I saw a really cool place to take a view. So here we are. Back in.
Oh, so they can see that city. Sunny. Bring out my glasses.
Nice day out here. So we're about to hang out, take a little breath, and then go back in.
Yep.
Check out the
Cathedral de Sal.
Exactly. Hello? Hold on a second. All right. I'll be there.
No, it's a listening device.
It's a listening device. Y'all, so we just got here to the entrance. We're gonna take a walk and a tour.
Yes.
And
We have some listening devices
Yeah.
to listen to information. Every station has a part where you'll see the number, and then
where's that thing at?
it's right there, right?
Oh,
Stop. Oh my gosh, that's so crazy.
stop, man.
Oh, we can touch it. We can touch it.
You can touch it.
Oh my. Wow, it's so crazy. Oh, it's dark because it has the minerals around.
When the salt is white, it has come into contact with moisture. Alright, y'all, so the tour is over now. We're in the area where they want you to buy some gifts and spend some more money for souvenirs. But we're going to go ahead and fast forward our feet through this. Probably got a little snack.
Yeah.
And that's about it, man. Catch you on the outside, huh?
And good. Wow. We'll let CJ eat in peace.
That's it. We're done with the Cathedral de Sal. Alright, we're gonna be dropping back on the train. We got 5 minutes to get back on the bus to the train, so we gotta run. Stopped off on the bus ride back to the city. We're gonna have a little lunch now. So when the food comes, I'll show you what we're working with.
I'm excited. This looks so good. Not even joking.
Enjoy, baby.
Thank you.
Alright, y'all. There goes my plate right there. Chicken, soup, more chicken. And now the beans on the way.
Hey guys, we're in Colombia on the outer part of Bogota. The restaurant is called CAPRINOS. Have two good people here that came in and they enjoy their food, so we hope to have you here. We have different Colombian and international food. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.